Before beginning any cleaning job, take a moment to plan how you will approach the work. Look around the property, understand what needs to be done, and think through the order of tasks. Make sure you have the correct equipment, products, and supplies with you before you start. Organize the job in a way that allows you to work efficiently, safely, and to the highest standard. Keep the client informed throughout the visit. Let them know what you're doing and why you're doing it. If they ask questions, answer them politely and confidently. Clear communication helps build trust and ensures the client feels comfortable with the process. If anything unexpected happens during the clean, such as a problem, an issue with the property, or accidental damage, you must inform the client immediately. Be honest, calm, and professional. Clients appreciate transparency. Whenever possible, resolve issues on site. Small problems can often be fixed quickly with the right approach. After handling the situation, make sure to record the details in the Ealing Clean system, including photos and notes when appropriate. Remember that all communication, including text messages and calls, is logged in the system, so it's important to communicate clearly and professionally. If you ever need guidance, refer to the training materials, technical instructions, or manuals provided. They are there to support you. Never skip steps or rush the job. Delivering a fantastic service means paying attention to detail, working methodically, and taking pride in your work from start to finish. At Ealing Clean, professionalism is not just about cleaning. It's about communication, responsibility, and a commitment to quality in every home you visit.